So now we have created a very simple chatbot application in Flutter, but this chatbot is missing some key features, and one of them is it is not looking at our entire conversation while answering the question, and we can test this thing right now inside this chatbot. Like here, if we are going to ask a query like I am earning $1,000 per month, how much should I save? So let's try that. So let's send this prompt, and there you can see we got the answer, and it is telling us we should save at least 20% of our income. And now here, if we are going to ask a follow-up question, then it should be able to answer it, but it will not gonna answer it correctly. Like if I will ask what about 100, so it means that I am asking that what about saving 100 from that 1000. So let's ask it. And there you can see the answer is, could you clarify what you are referring to with 100? So it means that it is not looking at our previous question and his previous answer before answering a new question. So this is a key feature missing from our chatbot application. And inside this section, we are going to add that feature. So it means that we are going to implement a feature that chatbot will be able to look at our previous messages before answering a new question. And by adding that feature, we will be making our chatbot smart, who is not only answering our questions, but it is also looking at the context of conversation before answering the question. So now let's start adding this feature.